Hey guys, this is Rupesh from Beebom.com, and HMD Global at its pre-MWC event announced the Nokia 9 PureView. Yes, the Nokia 9 PureView with the world's first penta camera setup. Yes, the 5 camera phones are now a reality. So we went hands-on with the Nokia 9 PureView. Let's take a look. Yeah, this is the new Nokia 9 PureView, the world's first phone to feature not 3, not 4, but 5 cameras. Yes, that's a lot of cameras on a smartphone. And I'm not even including the front camera. Yes, the Nokia 9 PureView is an ambitious smartphone, so let's talk about those cameras. Okay, so let me just get this out of the way. The camera array here looks a little weird. It's great that there's no camera bump, but I don't know, I don't think it looks that good. Anyway, so all the 5 cameras here are 12 megapixel sensors, but they're not the same. The setup features 2 12 megapixel f1.8 RGB lenses and 3 12 megapixel f1.8 monochrome lenses. And all of these cameras take a picture at different exposures at the very same time. And the end result is a detailed photo that uses data from all of these sensors. That's not all. According to Nokia, the Nokia 9's 5 cameras can capture photos with 10 times more light than your usual smartphone camera lens. So you're supposed to get better photos with higher dynamic range, better texture, more depth, and just an overall better photo. Apart from that, there's some interesting camera features here. There are different modes here, like the usual great Nokia Pro mode, the monochrome mode, the ability to shoot photos in RAW format and then edit it on the phone right away, and more. So yeah, the Nokia 9 PureView has a lot of camera features. But there's one feature that I really like. So when you take a photo from the Nokia 9, the phone processes the photo, which is honestly a long time, at least on this non-retail unit. But once it's processed, the Google Photos camera app tells you if the photo has a depth map. So you can edit the photo and add more depth to it or refocus it. Yeah, it's actually pretty cool. But yeah, I know what you're wondering about. You're wondering how is the image quality from these cameras? Well, we can't show you our camera samples from the Nokia 9 PureView yet, but from the official samples, things look pretty interesting. As you can see, these official Nokia 9 PureView camera samples are pretty awesome. But yeah, I'll reserve our judgment for a full review because this deserves extensive testing. Anyway, moving on to videos, the Nokia 9 PureView supports 4K at 30 FPS video recording. And yeah, things aren't too special on the video front because there's no OIS, there's no 60 FPS support. When it comes to selfies, the phone has a 20 megapixel selfie snapper, which should take decent selfies. But yeah, the Nokia 9 PureView is all about the 5 cameras on the back. So yes, the Nokia 9 is a camera-centric smartphone, and HMD Global knows it too. But for the smartphone to succeed, it has to be a good smartphone. So let's take a look at the design first. So starting off with the design, the Nokia 9 has the bezels, but it's not a bad-looking smartphone. In fact, I like the metal and glass design and the fact that the Nokia 9 has the IP67 water and dust resistance rating. There's an under-display fingerprint scanner here as well, which in my brief time took a lot of time to register and was rather inconsistent, but hey, this is not a retail unit, so I'll give Nokia the benefit of the doubt. Then there's the USB-C port, the single speaker at the bottom, the usual buttons, and still no headphone jack. Look, the Nokia 9 PureView does not feature a cutting-edge bezel-less design, but it is a premium-looking smartphone nonetheless. Moving on to the specs, the Nokia 9 PureView is flagshipy. It is a 5.99-inch 2K OLED display, 6GB RAM, 128GB storage, the Snapdragon 845 processor, 3320 mAh battery, and Android One Android Pie on board. I know what you're thinking, Snapdragon 845 in 2019? Well, as you probably know, HMD Global has partnered with Light and Qualcomm to make sure that the Snapdragon 845 here supports the 5 cameras. And apparently it took a lot of time, and since the Snapdragon 855 has just arrived, it would have taken Nokia even longer to implement the 5 camera system on the latest processor. So yes, the specs on the Nokia 9 PureView aren't out of the world, but with the Nokia 9 PureView, HMD Global is focusing on people who want a powerful camera phone like the Lumia 1020 or the Nokia 808 PureView. I mean, it's clear that Nokia believes in the Nokia 9's capabilities, and thus it gets the coveted PureView branding. Well, the Nokia 9 PureView goes on sale in March with a price tag of $699, which is around 50,000 rupees. And while the Nokia 9 PureView packs in a lot of tech for its price, there are a few doubts. Like, is the camera as good as it seems? Can it take on the Pixel 3? Is it a great all-around smartphone? Well, we'll find out all of that when we review the phone, so stay tuned for our Nokia 9 PureView full review. Hey guys, we are live here from MWC 2019 in Barcelona. So to get exclusive videos from the event, make sure to hit that bell icon and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.